Summers Woodworking introduces the PSS1 by M.Power Tools Limited.
As you may know, a woodworker is only as good as the tools in their shop. Keeping tools sharp in my shop is a must. The only thing I hate is a dull blade. It makes you more accident prone, makes you work harder. Today, I'm proud to introduce you to the precision sharpening system called the PSS1, made by M.Power Tools Limited. I love this system. It sharpens square edge chisels and plane irons from 1/8 of an inch to 2.5 inches wide. This system is built to last. The PSS1 is made of milled solid aluminum and finished in a hard-wearing anodize. The handle glides on nylon 66 slip rails for smooth action and only requires a few drops of oil before and during use. The PSS1 allows you to sharpen at a fixed 25-degree or swap the position of the handle to a 30-degree angle while the blade remains stationary while sharpening. The stones are held into place with a magnetic holding system that deftly stay in place and allows quick stone changes. There are 6 diamond stone grades available, and this system comes with 2. One is 220 grit, the other is 450 grit. The DMT grits that are available but sold separately are the 80, the 600, the 1200, and the 8000 grits. With this variety of stones, this system allows you to have a razor-sharp edge quickly. The system is small, light, and portable. It has rubber feet on the bottom, so it won't move while it's on the bench. It also has a mounting hole, so you can even mount it on a workbench. How convenient is that? With the PSS1, you can keep your chisels and plane blades sharp with the razor's edge every time.